Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about monitoring tools. Cloud monitoring tools are used to monitor performance and health of cloud-based application and infrastructure. Cloud monitoring tools are important for a number of reasons. They can help you to identify and troubleshoot performance problems, prevent outages and downtime, and optimize your cloud infrastructure for performance and cost. Ensure compliance with security and regulatory requirements. Some of the most popular cloud monitoring tools includes Datadog, Relic, Dynatrace, Prometheus, Grafana, Zabbix, SolarWinds server and application monitors, Nagios XI, Site 24x7, LogicMonitor, IBM Instana, Microsoft Azure Monitor, and Amazon CloudWatch. Choosing the right cloud for monitoring tools. The best cloud monitoring tools for you will depend on your specific needs and requirements. Some of the factors to consider include the size and complexity of your cloud environment. If you have a large and complex cloud environment, then you will need to cloud monitoring tool that can scale to meet your needs. And the types of the cloud resources you need to monitor. Some cloud monitoring services or storage. Make sure to choose a tool that can monitor the types of cloud resources that you need to monitor. Your budget. Cloud monitoring tool can range in price from $5 to $1,000 per month. Make sure to choose the tool that fits your budget. How to use a cloud monitoring tool. Once you have chosen a cloud monitoring tool, you'll need to deploy it and configure it to monitor your cloud environment. These specific steps involved will vary depending on the cloud monitoring tool that you choose. Once your cloud monitoring tool is deployed and configured, you will be able to start monitoring your cloud environment. You will be able to view real-time metrics and alerts. You will be able to generate reports on the performance and health of your cloud environments. Here are some tips using cloud monitoring tools. Set up alerts to notify you and performance problem or outage. This will help you to identify and resolve problem quickly. Then generate reports on the performance and health of your cloud environment. This will help you to track trends and identify areas of improvement. And use correlations features. Many cloud monitoring tools offer correlations features. Correlation features can help you to identify the root cause performance problems. Monitor your cloud environment regularly review the metrics and alerts from your cloud monitoring tool. This will help you to identify the resolve problem quickly. In conclusion, cloud monitoring tools are an important tool for any organization that uses cloud computing. By choosing the right cloud monitoring tool, using it effectively, you can improve the performance, reliability, and security of your cloud environment. So that's all I have. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any questions about the topic, please leave a comment below. And thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you again.